In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Klaviyo in Shopify. Whether you're looking to enhance your email marketing strategy or dive into SMS marketing, integrating Klaviyo with your Shopify store can be a game changer. So, let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, head over to the Shopify App Store. This is where you'll find the Klaviyo app that will seamlessly integrate with your Shopify store. In the search bar, simply type Klaviyo, email marketing and SMS. This app is specifically designed to work with Shopify, providing you with powerful tools to engage with your customers effectively. Once you've located the Klaviyo app, you'll see an option to install. Go ahead and click on it. This will initiate the installation process, which is typically straightforward and quick. If you're not already logged into your Shopify store admin, you might be prompted to do so. This is just a security measure to ensure that you have the necessary permissions to install new apps on your store. After logging in, you'll be presented with the App Permissions screen. This screen outlines what Klaviyo will be able to access in your store. It's important to review this carefully to understand how the app will interact with your Shopify account. Once you're satisfied with the permissions, click on Install App. This step grants Klaviyo the necessary access to function properly with your store. Now that the installation is complete, you'll be redirected to the Klaviyo onboarding dashboard. This is where you can start setting up your Klaviyo account if you don't already have one. If you do have an existing account, simply log in with your credentials. The onboarding dashboard is designed to help you configure your account settings, sync your Shopify data, and get started with your email and SMS campaigns. Setting up Klaviyo in Shopify is an excellent move for your business as it offers a robust platform for customer engagement. With this integration, you can automate your marketing efforts, track customer behavior, and personalize your communications, ultimately leading to better customer relationships and increased sales. Remember, the key to a successful integration is to carefully follow each step and ensure that all permissions and settings are configured to fit your business needs. Take your time to explore the features Klaviyo offers and consider how they can enhance your marketing strategy. With Klaviyo, you have the power to create meaningful connections with your customers and drive your business forward. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing.